Home Assistant versus Alexa. Which smart home platform is better? Choosing the right smart home platform can completely change how you control your devices without sacrificing privacy or compatibility. We'll explore both Home Assistant and Alexa briefly. Home Assistant and Alexa are two popular smart home platforms. Home Assistant offers an open source, highly customizable experience, while Alexa provides a voice-controlled, cloud-based ecosystem. The core difference lies in local control versus cloud reliance. Home Assistant is an open-source, smart home platform designed for local control and privacy. It runs on your own hardware, such as a Raspberry Pi or a dedicated server, allowing direct communication with devices without sending data to the cloud. Home Assistant supports thousands of integrations, from lights and sensors to cameras and thermostats. Its strength lies in flexibility, enabling users to create complex automations tailored to their needs through a user-friendly interface or YAML configuration. However, it requires some technical knowledge to set up and maintain, which may be challenging for beginners. Ideal users are tech-savvy homeowners who prioritize privacy, customization, and full control over their smart home environment. Home Assistant's community-driven development ensures frequent updates and new features, making it a powerful choice for those who want to avoid vendor lock-in and cloud dependency. Alexa, developed by Amazon, is a cloud-based smart home platform centered around voice control and ease of use. It integrates seamlessly with Amazon Echo devices and supports a wide range of smart home products through Alexa skills. Alexa excels in user-friendly setup, voice commands, and access to Amazon's ecosystem, including shopping and entertainment. Its cloud-based nature means automations and device control rely on internet connectivity, which can raise privacy concerns for some users. Alexa's strengths include broad device compatibility, natural language processing, and routine creation through the Alexa app. However, it offers less customization and local control compared to Home Assistant. Alexa is ideal for users seeking a straightforward smart home experience with voice interaction without the need for technical setup. It suits households invested in Amazon's ecosystem, or those prioritizing convenience and voice assistant features. Comparing Home Assistant and Alexa highlights a trade-off between control and convenience. Home Assistant's local control ensures faster response times and enhanced privacy, perfect for users who want to avoid cloud dependency. It supports advanced automations but requires technical skills. Alexa offers effortless voice control and a vast ecosystem, ideal for users who want plug-and-play smart home integration with minimal setup. However, it depends on cloud services, which can introduce latency and privacy considerations. For example, a Home Assistant user can automate complex lighting scenes triggered by multiple sensors without internet, while Alexa users benefit from voice commands and seamless integration with Amazon services. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. Do you want full control and privacy, or ease of use and voice assistant convenience? Choose Home Assistant if you value privacy, local control, and deep customization, and are comfortable with a more technical setup for your smart home. Opt for Alexa if you prefer a simple, voice-driven smart home experience with broad device support and cloud convenience. Both platforms excel in different areas, so your choice should reflect your priorities in control, privacy, and ease of use.